Hi folks, it's Colin from bashbackpain.com here with a special announcement for you. Now, if you're just driving the channel and you don't know what I'm talking about, let me explain. So my name is Colin. I do produce a lot of great content for those folks out there suffering with low back pain issues such as sciatica nerve pain, herniated discs, bulging discs, lumbar arthritis, and I try to give content out to those folks suffering to bring them pain relief. I myself have my own back issues, herniated discs, bulging discs. I did avoid surgery and I've helped many people throughout the world with my content. In fact, I've even designed my own 21-day recovery course, which is running over the last couple of years. And one thing I've discovered is that in more than 90% of cases, people have pain relief after only 7 days, which I'll be completely honest with you, completely blew my mind, yeah? Which is why I wanted to make this really special announcement for you guys today. Now, for those 7 days, the total course of the course would be $299. I'm bringing you those first 7 days for $69. Special price of less than $10 a day. Now, this course contains special exercises, stretches, all by video content, of course, that I have used with all of my patients over the years to bring them significant pain relief. And as I said, more than 90% of people are getting pain relief, significant pain relief within 7 days, which just blew my expectations out of the water. So it's a very time limited offer. It's going to run until the 31st of January, midnight. That special offer, it would be $299. You're going to get it for $69, less than $10 a day. Now, how do you sign up? Super simple. You can see the link down there in the description. Click on that, go to my website, scroll down the bottom, sign up, you see the page there. Make sure you input the email that you normally use and check your spam, because the emails with the videos are going to go to that email you use to sign up, okay? Definitely join the Facebook group because you're going to be able to share questions, your comments. I'll be there to help you guys answer your questions. I'm going to basically lead your guys by the hand through those 7 days because I want you all to experience a significant drop in your pain over those 7 days. And look, you don't like the course, it's not for you, you didn't get much pain relief from it, you're not happy, look, 100% money back guarantee. You're not happy, ask for money back and I will refund your money. So look, what do you got to lose? Nothing, yeah? For less than $10 a day, you can take the first steps back to a pain-free life. Hope to see you there.